Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another stream. This is the Count of Monte Fisto, Count of Monte Cisco, whatever. It's the same fucking guy. Spoiler alert. But yeah, I guess we're doing another Count of Monte Cisco stream. I haven't been streaming that much recently. This last week has been fucking nuts. In fact, let's fucking talk about that a little bit. So, before we jump into Cyber Day fucking 5, I guess that's what we're in. So, let's go to Google real quick. So there's this company called Rackspace, which is a cloud-based company, and it got completely anally fucked by, I guess, a ransomware attack. I don't know. It could have been industrial espionage by our good friends at Microsoft, since they are the ones that benefit the most. Because it took out most of their hosted Exchange environment somehow. Ransomware isn't exactly quick. It's not exactly fast. It takes time. It's very CPU intensive. But somehow that entire thing got fucked, and it's been closed down for the last, their Exchange environment, part of their server farms, having closed down since, I don't know, like fucking Friday of last week. So it's just been this huge shit show. And it's not mainstream news, despite, I don't know, like, affecting hundreds, thousands of small and medium-sized businesses across the US. Fucking nuts, dude. Anyway, what's up, Philip? Today we are doing something called TryHackMe. I guess we got some new motherfuckers. So this is a site dedicated to having kind of like gamifying learning, right? Where you learn about computers and hacking and security and all that good shit, networking. And you have these little modules where you game, and every year they have a Christmas event where they give away a bunch of prizes as you do them. So it's like, yeah, 2 birds, 1 stone. I guess 3 technically, because I'm streaming it for my second YouTube channel, Count of Monte Cisco. So yeah, let's look at this shit. So we kind of talked about the first few days, and last week, what did we do? We did the OSINT tab and the scanning. Did we do scanning last time? I guess so. Fuck. But then there's also brute forcing was day 5. Hold up. I guess we can do that real quick. Hold up. Let me send that link over. I'll start to like do something with that more. My second YouTube channel is a small baby channel. I'm just kind of starting it out. Get that link for you though, bro. If I can find the goddamn thing. Shit. URL is well, the @ is just Count of Monte Cisco. But let me see if I can just grab you the fucking channel. There you go. Pop. I'll make that CloudBot start to spit that shit out more. But anyway, yeah, so day 5 was, I guess, Monday. I'm only doing this shit during the weekends. Well, I mean, I'm doing this shit every day, but I'm only streaming it during the weekends. Day 5 was actually, like, really cool. It was brute forcing, where you just use a word list of all leaked passwords, then point it to a machine, and then use a figured out username that you found. You just work through all the possibilities until you get the right password, if you get the right passwords. So this is why you want complex passwords, because if it's very generic passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is the second most popular password of all time. So you're just kind of asking for your shit to get hacked. And there's email analysis, where you looked at the metadata for emails to figure out, how fucked the attachments are. That was a cool one. Cyber Chef, the first most popular password of all time. Password. Honestly, Well, it's like probably tied for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but also password. People use QWERTY a lot. QWERTY. Dude, you'd be shocked. You really would. But anyway, this day was Cyber Chef, where you kind of take a file or a script that you find, and you can do all sorts of weird shit in order to it. Kind of parse through all the obfuscation. Like, you know, a script can kind of have it blatantly what it does, but yeah, that makes it kind of easy to figure out what it's doing. So people will, you know, go out of their way to obfuscate and fuck with their scripts, their malware, you know. Then what else? Oh, this was a little fucked up. This was on smart contracts, which is how crypto works. Cryptocurrency. I guess you don't have to use smart contracts for cryptocurrency. This one was a little bit fucked because it used a web-based program to, God, let me just show you. Like a web-based interactive developer environment. But this thing is like not stable as shit. So I was like doing it right, and it kept crashing right when you were breaking the fucking thing. Or cracking the fucking thing. And so that one was a little bit of a shitty day, if you ask me. And then yesterday was pivoting, and this one was like kind of fucked. Pivoting is when you crack into one computer and you use that computer to go to the next computer, and then use that computer to go to the next computer. So like if you have easy access to one computer in a network, you can use it to hop to another and another and another. Because the others can be tighter than a dolphin's butthole, but one of them can be like hosting a website, you know? So that one's easy to get into. Easy in air quotes. But anyway, this one was like, the first few steps are pretty obvious, but then it kind of got away from itself, and then you're just kind of mindlessly following the guided walkthrough and not really learning it. And I get it, for something this complex, you need an entire module dedicated to it, and there are modules dedicated to it. But anyway, today we are doing game hacking, so I figured this one would be really cool. Let's just dive into this fucking thing. Yeah, we'll just fucking dive right into it. Santa's team have done well so far. The elves, blue and red combined, have been securing everything technological all around. The bandit Yeti, unable to hack a thing, decided to go for eldritch magic as a last resort and trapped Elf McSkitty in a video game during her sleep. Alright, we're going into hard fantasy. Alright. When the rest of the elves woke up, their leader was nowhere to be found until Elf Recon McRed noticed one of their screens where Elf McSkitty pixelated figure could be seen. It's a hard fucking sentence right there. By the screen, an icy note read, "Only by winning the unwinnable game shall your dear Elf McSkitty be reclaimed." I believe for this one, what we're doing is looking at the code in a development environment and kind of changing the unfair shit to be broken in the opposite way. Changing something unwinnable to something you can't lose. Kobayashi Maru style. I feel like going to a website called TryHackMe is asking to get hacked. Oh, dude, I thought about this. I'm sure they actually do probably get people trying to poke and prod all the time for this website. But luckily, because this is their jobs, they probably are up on their security pretty fucking well. But yeah, even the best get breached sometimes, so yeah, I don't know, it's interesting. But you can join the Discord and talk to them. It's kind of interesting talking to people who work in the field of security. Right now I'm in networking. The more of the you know, building an infrastructure and shit. Without their chief, the elves started running in despair. How could they run a security operations center, SOC, without its head? The game was rigged, and try after try, the elves would lose, no matter what. As struck by lightning, Elf Exploit McRed stood up from his chair and said to the others, "If we can't win it, we'll hack it." Start with this machine. Wonder if there's like a separate machine that I need a VPN in. I might need to. I might need a fucking VPN this bitch. So, shit, let's show off the VPN. I don't think I've had to do this yet. Oh, thank you for the bit donation, Phil. More funny money for helping. Like computer issues. Nah, it's not a problem, dude. Computer issues can be a bitch. I'm sure you've noticed. So what? Let's do sudo. What the fuck do we do with that one? Is that like another nmap thing? It must have been from last week. Fuck. Oh yeah, open VPN. Yeah, okay. We got it. VPN, let's hit right. There we are. My password for my Kali Linux machine is Kali, by the way. it's the default. Once again, this is a virtual machine, so what you're looking at isn't my actual computer. Which is fucking crazy. I'm actually surprised that wasn't, usually it obfuscates that, you know? Yeah, weird. I think it was still loading when I typed it. Interesting. Pro tip, wait that shit out. There we are. Anyway, so now we're on the VPN. Should I, like, reconnect? I wonder if I should just reload it. I think the machine will stay up, and then we should see a green light here. Yeah. I have your IP address, motherfucker. Okay, for the record, every time I've seen someone post like something for this, like this asshole with the walkthroughs, I've really wanted to go into the comments section and be like, you know, what a dumbass! I can't believe he docks himself showing his IP address. But here's the fucked up thing: is every time I do that, I get they fucking ban me. They fucking ban me from the comments because these motherfuckers can't take a joke. They're like, oh my god, this is an idiot. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Let's ban him. It's like, wow, you guys are humorless. For the record, anything that starts with a 10 is a private IP address. Like, it's internal only. It could be anything. It's whatever the fuck you want it to be. Speaking of which, this guy, by the way, how to put it? I like his energy. He knows a lot about a lot. He's not bad. What? Al-Hazard. But he does the generic Twitch thing, which is the generic, like, boomer radio host thing of, like, you're watching the wacky hour, and then, like, hitting sound effects every 2 fucking seconds. Okay, maybe it's not that bad, but, like, when you're just doing the generic wacky sound effects, even, like, once every 5 minutes, it's too much for me. Seems like a nice guy, though. He knows a lot. But so, you know, you want like tech if you follow him, but not really for me. Anyway, I'm getting distracted again. But we have the attack machine, or their virtual machine, on their network. We have our VPN set up so that way we're in their network. So we're essentially in our own private network on the TryHackMe site now, where it's just me and this machine. Do you recommend using a service like Iron Vest? I haven't even heard of that one. Let's look at Iron Vest. Secure your accounts to protect your identity. I don't know. I can't really speak for it, so I can't really say how it works or not. Here's the issue with things like this. Same thing with password managers. Is they can also be hacked, you know what I mean? So, like, let's say you're using a password manager, like, was it 1Password? Oh, wait, shit. Wait, are they the same company? No, they're not. Wait, why did it come to the same thing? Oh, wait. Passwords. Maybe they're, like, partners. I might be partnered, actually. Crazy. Here's my thing with 1Password, right? Could it work and do good shit? Sure. And once again, I'm not talking shit on Iron Vest, I don't know much about them. But now all of your passwords are... You're keeping all your eggs in one basket. They're all in your phone. Now, what if your phone gets stolen? Your phone gets stolen, you're kind of fucked, because they can just navigate to the websites and use your password. They don't know your password, but they can still use your password if your phone gets stolen. So you're paying for a monthly service for someone else to manage the... your passwords, which they themselves can get hacked, and also your phone can get stolen. I think really the trick is to stay on top of your shit and manage your own passwords, and then use something like was it Have I Been Pwned? What the fuck? Yeah, that's what it is. Um, wow, really? Everyone's like, good, dude. How incestuous are all these companies? They're all like owned by the same like umbrella corporation. That's crazy. So you can actually like set up an email alert for any time there's a breach, and it's, you know, just so that way you can know and be like, oh wait, I used that fucking thing. Or an alert for every time your email or phone number shows up in a breach. Honestly, and something like that's free. I would just use something like that and just stay on top of it. But anyway, let's dive into this Final Fantasy VIII music. This is a great playlist. Oh, it's just a great playlist in general, Philip. I downloaded it from some guy who got his channel shut down by Squaresoft on YouTube because these playlists had too many Squaresoft. Oh no, my email was found. Dude, I guarantee you that's like 99% of people. That's the thing is like, dude, there have been so many breaches. I'd be shocked if anyone's shit was not in a breach. So really, every now and then, just update your password. Pro tip: use long passwords. Pro tip in using long passwords is use movie quotes or song lyrics. That's what I like to do. That way, you'll have like a 20 fucking character, a 20 character password that would take forever to fucking crack, and it's fairly unique to you. Anyway, let's dive into this shit. Learn how data is stored in games, in memory, and other applications. Use simple tools to find altered data in memory. Explore the effects of changing data in a running game. So we're just fucking with the RAM, really. Memory of a program. Whenever we execute a program, all data will be processed somehow through the computer's RAM, random access memory. If you think of a video game, your HP, your position, your movement speed, and direction are all stored somewhere in the memory and updated as the game goes. If you can modify the relevant memory positions, you can trick the game into thinking you have more HP than you should, or even a higher score. This sounds relatively easy, but a program's memory space is vast and sparse. Finding the location where these variables are stored is nothing you'd want to do by hand. Hopefully, some tools will help us navigate memory and find where all the juicy information is at. Be sure to hit the start machine, we already did, before continuing. The machine will start in split screen view. Fuck, did we not need to? Fuck, we probably didn't even need it again. Motherfucker. I always miss that. Some of them are like just machines in the network. Others are split screen that exist. So we probably don't even again, but hey, it's free and it's there if we need it. So here we are. This is the virtual machine running in the network in our virtual machine that I'm using on my computer. Haha, it's like fucking Inception. Let's see. All you need for this challenge is available in the deployable machine. If you prefer to do so, however, you can download and install Cetus on your machine by downloading it from here. It's from some GitHub thing. I guess it's used for, fucking game development, like if you're doing something in, what's that, like, JRPG thing that you make? Like, RPG Maker? Is that what it's called? Just RPG Maker? Oh shit, okay, so it's just a zip file. Did I download it? Hey, I downloaded it. Okay, well now I have it. It's only 172 kilobytes, so whatever. Let's see. The mighty Cetus. Cetus is a simple browser plugin that works for Firefox and Chrome, allowing you to explore the memory space of WebAssembly games that run your browser. Okay, like addictinggames.com back in the day. The main idea behind it is to provide you with the tools to easily find any piece of data stored in memory and modify it if needed. On top of that, it will let you modify a game's compiled code. Wait, am I like... Okay, I'm just making sure my category is science and tech. For the record, that's like such bullshit, the category science and technology, because it's tech. It's just tech. I'd be very surprised if searching in science and technology I find like... Was it like Hank Green being like, hey kids, hey my fellow kids, how are you today? Let's talk about how gender normative binaries are bullshit and yada yada yada. But I fucking love science. No, but the category should just be technology. And then you should have a separate Twitch category of science for douchebags, I guess. But anyway. Rant aside. The main idea behind this is to provide you the tools to easily find any piece of data stored in memory and modify it if needed. So it's for game development. On top of that, it will let you modify a game's compiled code and alter its behaviors if you want, although we don't need to do that, go that deep in this task. Cetus is already installed in Chrome on my deployed machine, so you can use it straight away for the rest of the task. If you find the game runs slowly when using the in-browser machine, you can always install Cetus on your machine and do the task from there. Alright, and they give you some instructions about how to do it. I mean, it's probably is just install and then go into add-ons and run. Philip says, I've used IronVest randomly generated passwords for a good long while. I just write them all down in a book. Yeah, honestly, they say not to write down your passwords, but, like, here's the bullshit behind that is there's no way you're going to remember all of your passwords if you don't write them down. And saving them in, like, a password file on your desktop is even more retarded. So, yeah, you should do exactly that. Write them down, but keep them in a book, but keep them in a very safe location. The reason why people say don't write down your passwords is because people all the time write down their passwords on a fucking sticky note and stick them right on their fucking computer monitor or under their keyboard. and it's crazy. So, I don't know, it just fucked up that they just flat out tell you, don't do that. And it's like, no. You can do that. It's just in the way you do that can be right or wrong. But yeah, so I mean, you have to write down your passwords. There's no way, unless you just keep one password for everything, which as soon as there's a breach and your password and usernames and email gets out there, then, you know, you're fucked. So yeah, keep multiple passwords, write them down, keep it in a book, keep that book in safe keeping. Anyway, let's learn about Cetus. We're opening Elf McSkitty. Oh god, the 127.001. Let's see. So first, let's like kind of dick around with the like cheap game that you can't fucking win. Arrows and spacebar. Where am I? Am I trapped? And why is my name changed to Elf McElf? Where do you even see that? Oh, right there at the bottom. Who did this to me? Oh yeah. We might want to install this on our own shit. I don't know, I guess it's not that slow. It's kind of speeding up. I just get kicked at... Did I get my ass kicked by this dog? Hey there, welcome to my 5-star prison. Hope you enjoy your stay. Hey guard, I'm actually trying to escape. Any useful suggestions? Escape, you say, but I've worked very hard on making your cell comfy enough. You even have room service. Besides, the jail is as secure as it gets, let me tell you. You wouldn't be able to get out if you were one of Santa's flying reindeer. The only way through the door behind me. The only way out is through the door behind me, and I'm not opening it for you. Pretty please? No. Pretty please? Still no. Oh god. Let's make a deal. If I'll think of a number between... Oh, that's cute. Okay. So you probably use the web development to find what the randomly selected number is, you know? It's kind of like how motherfuckers do, like, tool-assisted speedruns, you know what I mean? If you can guess it, you're out. Good luck with that one. Yeah, so, that's cute. We don't know it yet. Cute. You really think you can guess it? It's not like you can read minds, dude. Now go back to your jail and enjoy the view out of the 5-star windows. Can I not go inside the house? Oh, no. That's cute. Yeah, so it is a little slow, but just because, you know, we're going through a virtual machine, through VPN to a network. Do this. It's probably running on such little resources at that point. Wherever the fuck this is running from. But anyway. We opened the game. To find Cetus, you need to open the developer tool. Can't you just like right click and... Alright, yeah, I think you can just hit F12, right? No? No, really? Okay, I guess not. Alright, fucking developer tools, fine. Clicking on the button in the upper right hand corner of Chrome. Okay, so that way, got it. Alright. Sometimes you just right click, sometimes you hit F12. I guess it doesn't work when the game is kind of the main thing. Cool. So yeah, so once again, if you're on a website, you can just hit F12. This is the metadata of whatever web page is loaded. Or you can just right-click and view it. Usually there's, if it's well coded, usually there's nothing that gives away like secret shit there, but you never know. Status, right? Alright. Did that. We run status. You know what we should do? Hold up. Let's split view. How do you fucking do that? There we go. Hey, let's do it this way. Let's use our full browser, baby. We're gonna fucking need it, apparently. There we go. Okay. So we're loading up status. Yeah, so this musical playlist is relaxing PS1 music. I also have one for Sega Saturn and some for the Super Nintendo. I kind of was hoping the guy would make some for Genesis. I guess I should try to figure out what that guy's name was. Oh, is this gonna like just take a while? I guess we can read and figure it out. The status open, hit the refresh button and reload the game. If you installed status on your machine, you can find the game at, and it's the IP address of the machine that's currently running. Shit. Status should actually. What am I doing? Get the fuck out of here. I have it over here. You know, this separate browser tab. I know why I'm making it hard for myself. Status should detect the WebAssembly game running and show you the available tools. Note, if status shows the waiting for a WASM message, just reload the games, it should load. Good. Alright. Honestly, we're pretty far along in the lesson already. Oh, I got you, Philip. I appreciate you dropping in, man. So let's reload this. Shit, did I reload the wrong fucking thing? God damn it. Ah! My brain! I reloaded the wrong fucking thing. It's like Inception, man. It's hard to remember what layer deep I'm in. Let's actually wait until we learn the trick on this one. You walk around the game, you'll find the guard won't let you leave unless you get just a number. It has to store the number in memory. So this will allow us to pinpoint the random number's address quickly. As a first step, talk to the guard, try to guess the number randomly. You probably won't guess it, but take note of the guard's number. Oh, I see. So we talk to him, have him tell me what number he's thinking, and then use that number to search in the memory to find that same number. Got it. Cute. Let's say 42069, baby. Alright. Should I just like write this down? I guess we can just use a notepad. Or is this Pluma? Simple text editor. I guess let's use this. Oh, for the record, I also use Parrot OS. I have that like bare metal installed on my work laptop, just for funsies. And I don't know, like it's cool. I like it. I like using it as a alternative Kali because it uses KDE. But honestly, Kali is fucking better, and I like GNOME more than KDE. So I don't know. Let's see, 7419. Let's keep that as a little note to ourselves. Wait, I can just search it here, right? Sometimes I like to try to not use the guide, even though this is clearly a guided lesson to teach me how to use this and how like memory and shit works. Address. Huh. So what, I'm guessing I use this address, ask him again, and then see what the value is, and then convert that to, like, what, that assembly language? I don't fucking know. Let's see. You need to set us to find all the memory addresses used by the game that match the given value. In this case, the guard's number is probably a regular integer, so we choose 32-bit integer by value type. Already chosen, good. Right. So this also allows you to search for numbers with decimals, usually called floats, represented by the F32 and 64 types. I guess float values of 32-bit, 4-bit, maybe. And for strings code in ASCII, UTF-8, or bytes, you need to specify the data type as part of your search because for your computer, the values 32 integer and 32 float are stored in different formats in memory. We will use the equation, the EQ comparison operator, equals, I guess, which will search for memory addresses which content is equal to the value we input. Note that you can also search values using any of the other available operators. For reference, as operators do. Find shit that's equal to, find shit that's not equal, less than, greater than, less than, equal, less than or equal. Fuck. Yeah. Who the fuck says lower than? Who the fuck says lower than? I'm gonna find this motherfucker. I swear, the British motherfuckers who run this, those limey pieces of shit, don't know how to speak English. I swear to God. Oh, it's aluminium, bruv. do you get your knife license? Anyway, less than, greater than, or equal to. Got it. Alright. The guard uses a random number. You will likely find the memory address on the first try. So how do we fucking do that crazy shit, motherfucker? Click the bookmark button. Oh, there's a bookmark button? Oh, look at you motherfucker! Alright, so bookmarks. Hey, we bookmarked that shit. Cool. Alright, fancy. Then you can go to bookmarks and see your memory addresses. Got it. Oh, okay, cool. Note that set us use. Okay, so now that we know that, before we like look at it, let's just try to see if we can do this shit again. Alright, gotta go through this whole dialogue tree every time I have to guess. It's kind of fucking annoying. Okay, bookmarks, aha. Copy, how would I do that? Can I just like type that in here and just search for it? Assembly to integer? Binary? Or no, decimal? Shit. How does this shit work, motherfucker? Come on. Come on, just let me do it. I don't care about any of this shit. Oh god. Just give me a fucking network tool, dude. God damn it. Alright. Tell me how. Fuck you. Alright. If you need. Oh shit, they gave me a website. God damn it. I wanted to see if I could find it myself. Alright, hexadecimal. Is that what that is? Oh god, I got like fucking India calling me right now. Should I fuck with them? Hello? Hello? God. Robot insurance voice. I was wondering if I could like fuck with them a little bit, you know? Oh, for the record, spammers and scammers are going apeshit now that it's getting closer to the holiday season. So, for anyone, just, yeah, I hope I don't have to tell anyone this, but if, you get any calls or messages or emails from Amazon or PayPal, or what's another one they use? I don't know, either the fucking police, goddammit, Microsoft. What are some other ones they use? I don't fucking know, but like anyone asking for money or saying like, oh, you must, give us money, or like, oh, people have used your information to buy iPad. Let us into your computer. You tell them to go fuck themselves. Anyway, but yeah, make sure your loved ones know that shit too, because they do target old people primarily. It's kind of fucked up. Anyway, that's hexadecimal. I got it. I thought like that first little bit's for machine code. You know what I mean? I get that this is hexadecimal, but I don't know. I don't fucking know enough about assembly language and shit to really know that. Oh god, do I have to like type it out manually? 854. Here's what we'll do, motherfucker. Oh, we listen to this sacred Chinese tune. Actually, I'm not really feeling it. Let's skip ahead here. There we are. Sounds a little bit better, right? I think so. Shit. 8546. I want to keep it full screen, sorry. 5811. You got it, but how? What kind of dark magic is this? Are you an elf or a witch? Stop reading my mind. I'm opening the door. Stop messing with my head. Like fucking Psycho Mantress up in this bitch. Finally out of here. Now let's move on. Why are you out of the prison? Did the guard fall asleep again? Huh? Who's talking? I'm the fearful bandit Yeti. I'm at the end of the bridge, but the devs are too lazy to make a camera close-up for me. Well, I'm not actually here. This is my avatar. Pretty nice, huh? In reality, I'm running free and infiltrating your networks. In case, you'll never see the real me, because you won't even make it through this bridge. All of Santa's servers will be mine. Christmas will be ruined. Alright, I'm assuming that we're too slow to walk through this shit. So maybe we can, like, increase our speed stat or make our health infinite. Probably some shit like that. With the status on the bookmarks tab, talk to the guard. Notice how it changes immediately. Guess the number, convert it. Got it. Okay. You can also modify the memory address containing the random number from the bookmarks tab. Okay, so 2 ways to skin a cat, which is a fucked up saying, by the way. So you could go into there and make it like all zeros, I guess. Be like, oh, it's 0. Try restarting the game and changing the guard's number right before the guard asks you for the number. You should be able to change the guard's number at will. Getting through the bridge. Now you're out of your cell, but you still have to overcome some obstacles. Can you figure out how? Oh, let's see if there's any okay, so it's just guards. Oh wait, did the guard give me a flag? Yo, motherfucker, do you have a flag, bro? Oh, okay, cool. Oh god, I'm gonna have to like type this out manually, motherfucker, dude. Oh wait, no. Work smarter, not harder, right? 5-star. There we go, and we'll throw this shit right in there. Let's answer that one. I actually already did this module before walking an application, which just means going through a web application, looking through the source code, just finding how many ways it's broken and fucked up. Actually, pen testing a web page. Although this one's very guided, so it's not like this one was difficult, But still, a good module. So we're damn near. We're actually like pretty fucking close down here. While you are wondering what other data and memory could have changed to survive the bridge, Elf Recon McRed tells you that he read about differential search. Differential search, he said, allows you to run successive searches in tandem, where each search will be scooped over the results of the last search. Oh god, my brain. Successive searches. So you like search, and then you search, you like pipe that search through another search, yeah? instead of the whole memory space. Got it. Thinks this might be of help somehow. To help you better understand, use the following example. Suppose you want to find an address in memory, but you're not sure of the exact value it contains, but you can, however, manipulate it somehow by doing some actions in the game. Oh, I could also teleport over it. Probably is possible to make your health infinite, your speed infinite, or just, you know, teleport. Like 3 different ways to get through here, which is pretty cool. Manipulate the value of your position by moving, for example. Got it. Instead of doing a direct search by value as before, use differential search to look for memory positions based on specific variations of the value rather than the value itself. Okay, so I'm searching for like what changed by 1 after I take a single step, maybe? Start the differential search. You must first search. Your first search needs to be done with an empty value. This will return the total number. Okay, well, I guess we'll do that real quick. Okay. So I searched nothing and found nothing. Got it, alright. Now, suppose you want to know which memory addresses have decreased since the last search. You run less than operator without setting a value to search. Brain hurt. Okay. I think I kind of see. The result tells us only 44 memory positions of the total have decreased in value since the last search. You can, of course, continue to do successive searches. For example, if you want to know which of the 44 resulting memory addresses from the search increase their value, you can simply do another search with a greater than operator with no value again. The result tells us that from the 44 from the previous search, only 26 have increased in value. If you're searching for a particular value, you can continue to do more searches until you find the memory address you're trying to get. Armed with this knowledge, can you identify the parameters you'd like to search for in memory to get you across the bridge? The elves surely hope you do, as getting McSkitty out of the game now depends on you. Alright, well, I have to say this quest is way better than the last like 2, because the last 2 days have been like just overly complex. And if you're gonna keep this basic, keep it basic, because you can follow the walkthrough to understand it. But the other previous 2 days were just so like it ramped up too quickly to the point where you're just mindlessly following the walkthrough. Okay, so let's find. Can I just do not equal and move 1 to the left? Oh. I'm like doing WASD. Alright, so not equal. Oh wait, did I just fucking do it? Yeah. Address. Bookmark that. So I want to change that value to what? Like 9999 to like teleport over? Oh god. Search for 5. Righty, lefty, retry, insufficient memory. Wonder if I could just find speed. No, probably not. Alright, feedback, patch, bookmarks, memory view. change this? Gonna break the fucking thing? But how do I fuck with it? Right? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to fuck with it right now, yeah? I found it. I didn't do it right. Search on memory to allow me cross the bridge. Oh god. Alright. Let's clear that bookmark, baby. Alright. Search, and then we're gonna do greater than. Then search less than, and move to the left. And then search greater than and move to the right. Then search less than and move to the left. Does this make sense what I'm doing? Try to find like what is y-axis. Alright, so it's one of these. Shit. Oh, they all seem to be very close to each other. Maybe that is it. Shit. Is that what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to like teleport, motherfucker. Over to the right. So how would I change this shit? Oh god. Although I would like if they gave me one more step here of like, you know, here's how you fuck with the memory, because it doesn't really say that. I know how to search in the memory, I don't know how to fuck with it. Let's see here. You can also modify the memory address containing the random number from the bookmarks tab. Try restarting the game and changing the guard's number right before. So wait, can I like start? I wonder if I can change it in real time. Did I just break the fucking game? To Tekken music. So if I restart this, is this shit gonna stay the same? Fuck. I mean, we don't have much of a choice. Can I like, let me see if I can mark this shit. I just totally just break it. It might be like something simple like this one, honestly. If I can fucking select it, right? Oh god, come on you fucker. Oh god. There we are. Oh god, I broke the goddamn thing. Please, just let me copy this. I don't want to have to type it. Alright, we're gonna type it. Son of a fucking bitch. Alright. God, Tekken music rules, dude. Tekken is just great in general, seriously. Alright, let's say 4. And just remember that's kind of around there. I guess we don't have to do that. We can just straight up add that shit, then change it to 0. And then change this one to F90. Alright, cool. Let's reset this shit. See if it Come on. Oh fucker. Ah shit, I loaded the goddamn wrong thing. Come on. Come on, there we go. Hey. You mean load patch? Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's not that first one. The first one is going like apeshit. You know what I mean? So it can't be that one. Everything else is changing on its own, bro. So those must be like the snowballs, yeah? Being fired? 400. Right now the value's 400. Now it's 412. Now it's 424. That's 394. That's 430. That's 394. That's 424. Is there like some sort of in-between number that I'm not just seeing? Alright, so let's say we do this to Ah! So now it's like not even changing. Wait, how do I change it though? I can like change it through the bookmarks patch. Maybe not? I freeze that. HP ran out so quickly. If only I had more. What do you mean? What'd I do? Oh, that's how the screen scrolls. Got it. Okay. Pro tip. That's how the screen scrolls. All right. Or that's like the vertical scrolling, I guess I should say. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So let's keep those bookmarks. Let's reload the shit. Those might be the snowball. I guess we can like try to see, like use the not equal tab. And just keep trying, see if we can find where the snowballs are, and just see if we can freeze the snowball cannons. I feel like that might be what these are. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. Or maybe it's like the elf doing its little goddamn dance. Alright, fuck it. Let's talk to this asshole. Gotta do this again. Alright, now let's write this down again. Where's my little notepad? It's right here. Oh wait, shit, I have it. I have it written down right here. God damn it. Ah, you fool fucker. I mean, I guess we can just search it through here. Let's find it. 570-11703 is supposed to be bookmark it, huh? And then we still have that up. Okay, cool. Is that what we're doing now? Oh, wait, so that was 4EA34. copy that. Let's see, and I can't copy paste in this fucking window. 1263 7443. I keep using like WASD. What are these other numbers though? I'd love to know. Oh god, freezing them just breaks the goddamn game. God damn it. Oh man. Oh motherfucker, dude. I guess we'll be here for a while, huh? God damn it. Shit, but I'm gonna have to, like, get out of here every time. It doesn't load right. Alright. God. Okay. But we still have the one value bookmark, so we can copy paste. This one here is health. These I don't even know. As soon as you talk to him, it loads this value. Okay, and then we have to use that value. Out. Seven, 4, 3, 6. Seven, 2, 1, 0. Motherfucker, though. I just want to, like, know my position. Might have been doing, like, opposite. I was assuming greater than is to the right and less than is to the left. Which it might not be that fucking case. Yeah, I feel like that'd be a good idea, though. Like, you know, the y-axis has to be a value for your position, right? Yeah, I know. Alright, well... let's search. Maybe this will work. To find what's changing, right? And then slowly change it and figure out what breaks or does not break the goddamn game. Oh god, no, wait, what? No, don't do that. Alright, it's two results. Fuck, it might not even be them. Four E9F 52 E508. That one 49. Oh god. That doesn't look like it stopped anything. But might have made shit more unstable, whatever. Hopefully we don't break it again. 52 E58. I can only freeze one? God damn. Yeah, that doesn't seem to work. Oh wait, could I freeze my health and just walk across? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's an idea. Oh, infinite health is an idea. Oh, wait. Fuck, I fucked up the goddamn screen. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get rid of that one. If I can get rid of it. And what was the value for movement? EA34. Alright, so that one is the number one. We want to keep that one. We willingly take damage, and then we can freeze our health and give ourselves infinite health, or actively change the amount, right? Infinite ammo. Let's try it. No, not that one. This one, yes. Alright, doing this again. I'm surprised the Kali doesn't default have ad blocker, you know what I mean? I mean, that's how you allow motherfuckers to get AIDS, computer AIDS, for that shit. Alright. Okay. 5902. 9240. Shit, did I just like completely fucking... Yeah, I fucked that up. Alright. I swear to God, I have like some fucked up form of dyslexia. Be like reading someone a phone number and just like in my head it'll make sense, and then like what I say just does not make sense. Alright, that one's easy. 3339. Three 39. Right? Yes, 0010. That was a much easier number. Alright. So then he gives you the flag, but here's what we're gonna do now. God, I really wish this was WASD. Like, all of my instincts is not to use the arrow keys because it's no longer 1980 fucking 3. Everyone needs WASD. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. So we're gonna search. And then we're gonna do a not equal search after we take damage. We're less than, right? Yeah. Less than's even better. Find what accounts for fucked up health. Alright. One of these. Alright, it's one of these. I don't want to die. So we're gonna have to take some risks. I'm thinking that's his first one, honestly. But let's just mark all of them. Let's go into bookmarks. I give myself 50. Did that give me health? I didn't know. 70. 100? Am I like crashing the game? Am I winning, son? Oh, I think so. Oh shit. Oh god damn it. Alright, so we need like 1,000. 9,001. I'm fucking up the joke here. There we go. We now have over 9,000. Okay, cool. Got it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember, like, Vinny doing... I think it was Vinny. It might have been a, it might have been Joel's stream, but they were like... I think it was Vinny, because I think it was Corruptions, but it was like a, like, battling a Charizard or some shit, and the health bar just kept going, like, down and down and down. Like, so, like, the Charizard had, like, 4,000 health bars worth of health. Anyway. I didn't expect you to get this far. Prepare to face my ultimate spell. The Bandit Yeti Cloud that shoots snowballs from a cloud? Alright. Whatever, bro. You survived. That's impossible. This game was designed to be unwinnable. Alright. Well, talk to you, bro. Please don't hurt my beautiful avatar here. I'll restore your name. Oh, thanks. So nice from you. Oh, wait. It's Elf McSkitty. With a single D. Give me back my name and get me out of this game now. Alright. No need to be rude. I'll just tweak your name a second time. And here's the flag that'll let you out. You're free to go. Yeti. Flag. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, so we learned some shit. Shit, if I could spell, right? Oh, God, I can't. That's such a mindfuck. Like when you're doing, like, the typing practice and shit, and they give you the same word 4,000 times. Why are you typing so bad? It's like, 'cause I never write the same fucking word 1,000 fucking times. Read what she says after dying. Big hint there. Yeah, okay. To be fair, I did not look at the hint. It probably would have been easier if I looked for that instead of trying to, like, freeze the snowballs like I'm Dio from JoJo. At last, let's get out of here. Santa's servers won't patch themselves. This dick won't get self-sucked. Alright, cool. Yeah, I mean, what was that fucking called? Cetus? I guess that's cool for, like, web game development, you know, if you're newbie. And we also learned a little bit about hexadecimal. I don't know, I always thought, like, I saw that and I'm like, okay, that's assembly language, but I guess it's hexadecimal. It's just, so what the fuck is the point of the 0x? I don't know, I guess I've never learned that. I know, I never don't fuck with assembly language too often, or like real low level programming, you know. But anyway, that was I mean, it took us a little bit, but we got through it. And it wasn't as, like, brain-numbingly difficult as the pivoting one. Yeah, the pivoting one, it was the like the proxy chains part and like setting your own routing table through something that you've set up a Metasploit Metaterpreter through. Dude, it went from like 0 to 60, man. And then this one, like, I figured out the Ethereum one. It was just the web browser based IDE was just not stable at all, man. And the Cyber Chef, that one was like, dude, you had to just like, just follow the fucking guide, man. I don't know how the fuck you would figure this one out on your own unless you did this shit for a living, you know? But, overall, so far, it's doing a really good job of giving you, like, a bird's eye view of all the different areas of focus and security, which is a very fucking big field. Yeah, I always, like, remember hearing about that, like, you know, learn to code, bro. It's like, no, that's terrible advice. Learn, like, infrastructure, security, repair, troubleshooting, like, all that. There's such a need for all of that. Coding, I mean, you know, yeah, do motherfuckers need coders? Sure. But I mean, you know, if you can do, like, you know, hello world, and that's about it, you're not really useful. And even then, I don't know, I just think that meme is kind of bullshit and misleading people. Unfairly so. But anyway, that was, yeah, Advent of Cyber Day 10. Tomorrow we're doing Day 11. We're most of the way through, and look at this shit. I'm in the top 3%, baby. Top 50,000. Of course, most of what I've been doing is the walkthroughs. Actually, something I didn't know about this, I was kind of like reading up on shit. But, there's the learning paths, which are a collection of modules, and you have the modules themselves, yada yada. But, so the points you get to your score, right, are actually, like, the newer modules and the newer walkthroughs and the newer capture the flags are worth more points than the older shit, and then capture the flags are worth more than the walkthroughs, which is interesting. I don't know, so I don't think you'll ever... So, I mean, if motherfuckers are, like, have been keeping up with this since day one, I feel like they're unreachable. They're, like, a king of the castle at, like, rank 1, but still. I think, if you keep at this, do, like, a little bit of even a single room each day, and then, you know, or branching out to the next and the next, I feel like you'll learn a hell of a lot from this site. Cool site, overall. I'm a big fan. I've been a big fan for a while, which is why I subscribed. I bought the year subscription, which is pretty cool. Not that you need it, but I don't know. I like having access to all the rooms, even though with the free one, you get quite a bit of the rooms. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to just stay live, and I'm going to get this shit set up for a Terraria stream. So if you want to stick around for that, check that shit. What is this, Castlevania? It is Symphony of the Night. Man. Symphony of the Night was a great game. But yeah, we're gonna play some Terraria just because it was a fucking hell of a week, man. Literally dealing with a cyber attack, not directly, but the fallout of it. Crazy. Once again, check that shit out. Check out the Rackspace attack. Holy shit. I don't understand how that's not bigger news. Like, a major cloud company is dead. I mean, you know, they're still hanging on for a little bit, but I mean, after the lawsuits, man, I don't see how it's possible for them to hang on. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Once again, Count of Monte Cisco. Check out my second channel. We're going to be doing a Count of Monte Fisto stream in a second for Terraria. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.